In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search if cell contains in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. Any spreadsheet will work as long as you have some text in a column that you want to check. In this example, we are going to look at cell A2, and we will test whether it contains a specific word like paid. Next, click into the cell where you want the result to appear. This is usually in a new column on the same row, so you can easily see the original text and the yes or no results side by side. Once that result cell is highlighted, you are ready to type the formula. Now type the following formula exactly. Then you will press enter when you are done. Shift is number search paid. A2 yes, no. Let me quickly explain what each part is doing, so the result makes sense. The search function looks inside A2 for the word paid. If it finds that text anywhere in the cell, it returns a number, which is the position where the word starts. If it does not find it, search returns an error instead of a number. That is where is number comes in. Is number checks the result of search. If search returned a number, is number returns true. If search returned an error, is number returns false. Finally, the if function turns that true or false into something more readable. If the word is found, you will get yes. If it is not found, you will get no. After you press enter, you should see your result right away. If A2 contains the word paid anywhere in the text, even as part of a longer sentence, the formula will return yes. If it does not appear, you will see no. One helpful tip is that search is not case sensitive. That means it will match paid, or paid the same way. If you need an exact match that respects capitalization, you would use the find function instead of search, while keeping the rest of the formula structure the same. Once it works for one row, you can copy the formula down to check other cells in the same column. And that covers everything you need to know.